it took so much time. You still have questions? Okay. Continuation of cross examination of CW1. So, Mr. Ko, remind Prof that he's still on Earth, isn't it?
We cite the witness.
Eh? You can cite him if you want. Give me red barrel. So.
I think it's important.
You can cite him. Give me the red barrel.
You have to bring up as well.
Oh, sorry. Or should you should take care of his glass one so that you can take that one down. Then we can put this in here.
At the last adjourned date,
Yes.
Malene Senior had informed the court that there are documents he intends to bring. And my lord addressed the issue of that. He told me that he is going to give me the said documents. So my lord, I don't want to be ambushed. So I'm asking Malene Senior whether, because I have not been served with any of those documents.
Allow me to speak for myself.
Eh?
Allow me to speak for myself.
No,
I said you should allow me to say.
Yes. The thing is that unless if he's tendering, and if not tendering any document, isn't it?
Well, my lord, sir,
Yes.
respectfully, most respectfully,
Yes.
it is true, and I confirm about the last adjourned date. I indicated, in fact, it was the basis of one or two adjournments that I was that I asked the first defendant for certain documents, and were yet to make them available, and that it was premised on that I requested for adjournment. Lord, the situation is still the same. I've not been given those, but I want to continue.
You could continue without the document.
Good afternoon, witness.
You should come closer.
Good afternoon, witness.
Good afternoon.
Yes. Witness, you are being reminded that you are still on oath to speak the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, please. God help me.
One of the witnesses is being reminded that he is still on oath.
Okay. Can you see him still?
Yes,
Yes, Mr.
all right. Technology.
So Kon, give me papers.
Okay, sir. Witness,
Yes, my lord.
the evidence in court is that your name was in the academic allowance beneficiaries list 2009 to 2012 that you submitted to your then employer. Is that correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, my name was on the list of and
Academic allowance beneficiaries.
academic allowance
For 2009 to 2012.
Years for 2009
to 2012.
to 2012, yes. Yes.
Which is submitted, he himself submitted to his then employer.
what did he submit?
The list, that list.
Okay, and okay, let's ask him. Let Prof.
I said, yes,
Yes, my lord.
He said he was on the list.
yes.
But-
He said, my question was,
Can I say
Whether-
something, my lord?
No, let him, yes, whether
it is evidence before the court that his name was in the list
yes, he said his name was on the list.
that he himself submitted.
Okay. Let Prof.
Yes, yes, my
Did
lord.
you hear him?
Yes, my lord. I have.
He said whether your name list that you yourself submitted.
My lord, the issue is that this submission was carried out by the faculty task force, where I was also represented as a member of the board. The compilation was passed by the faculty to the university representative. It is not something every department.
Okay. So the list was submitted by the faculty task force.
Yes, there was a task force.
Which you were the chairman.
No, I was not the chairman. I was the acting head of department. So there was a task force of the faculty where we submitted the names and all that was required at that time.
So the list was submitted by the faculty task force.
Yes, please.
Which you are not a member, which you are not the chairman.
No, I was not a chairman, sir.
Okay.
And the issue of taking.
Was choice. He said he was a member.
Okay, but you're a member of that task force?
Yes, because I was the HOD.
Okay. Yes.
Witness for that.
Yes, my lord.
It is also your evidence before the court that the list that was submitted to your then employer was an initial and not a final list. Is that correct?
Yes, please.
Yes, the list was not the final list. I hope you're not repeating what
No, sir. I'm going somewhere.
Okay.
I'm just reminding you, paraphrase. It was not the final list, but he called it, described it as initial list.
Yes.
Witness,
Yes, my lord.
why do you describe the list that was submitted as initial and not final?
My lord, when it is time for compilation of those who are entitled to earn allowances, the university will call for submission of names. And that was what was done. This was in 2012, before I left the university to Akwa Ibom State University. It was an initial compilation. Normally, when these things are done, there are a lot of procedures, a lot of vetting before the final list is sent to the government. So this was a starting point. And after this, several other issues must have arisen, and this list must have been taken care of in different forms. So what we submitted during that task force was an initial submission.
So the reason why the
You call it initial.
Yes, you call it initial was why? That is saying that since the list is not final, why did you call it initial? Is that the question?
That was my question.
Yes, Lana Prof.
Yes, my lord.
He's saying that why is the list called initial, not final?
No, sir. Before the university pays or before the list is approved, he has to go
Yes.
through very many vetting sessions. It's not just
Yes.
that you submit the names. All these things have to be followed with some some data. You know, there are certain other details that must be compiled, that must be sent from the departments to those who
Okay,
are.
so it's not final because it has to pass through, other processes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
And to add, my lord, even
Yes.
even when the government sends money for the university to pay, they will again bring this list to the departments to cross-check and confirm. So it's not a one-stroke process. Series of processes before payments are made.
Yes. So the list has to be cross-checked and confirmed by the various faculties, even before the payment is made.
Yes, sir. Yes, my lord.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Mr.
He said before the
We say even if the money is sent.
He said before the federal government, when the federal government sends to pay.
Yes, you said the confirmed by what I refer to the list is not final because it's had to go through other processes for approval. And that's even
There was a statement that he made, sir, which is if the government sends money to the university to pay.
yes.
That's the capture, sir.
When I say even before
the way he put it,
even before
the way he put it, sir.
What the way that put it?
When it comes
Okay. What is better when the money comes from the
government to pay. Sorry. It is said. When the money comes from the federal government to pay.
When the money, okay, federal government is sending the money, it still doesn't matter. Go on, I know, go on. Yes.
Okay, thanks, sir, for permitting me to sit down, sir.
It's okay.
Witness.
Yes, my lord.
Flowing from what you have just said, are you alleging, are you saying that your name was, that the removal of your name from the final list may have been done by someone else.
My Lord.
What's his name?
What
What's his name?
the issue is that we submitted this initial list in 2012. But the first payment which was to be made was about 2016. Just check the time then, 2016. And when that payment was made, my name was not included. When I didn't see my name, I had to write to the university through my HOD. And the HOD confirmed that that application was received. I got a copy of it. That application went through the system, and I was told that my name was omitted from the list. I'm not saying that somebody removed it, somebody didn't remove it. I don't know how my name was not there.
So he doesn't know how.
I was the HOD at the time.
No, yes.
He was told by somebody.
He doesn't know how.
But he said he was told that
how my name
was not in the list.
I don't know how my name was
Omitted in the list.
Was omitted.
He said it's beyond.
From the list.
Someone told me.
But I know that the list was sent in 2012, but the payment was made in 2016. But
about, sir, yes, my lord.
Yes, the list was made sent in 2012, but the payment was made in 2016. But I don't know how my name was omitted from the list.
He said somebody told me that my name was omitted, was not in the list. That's the situation.
Yes, it's like
it's a genuine issue. He said so, sir.
Let him say it nice. It's simple. Yes, bro.
Yes, sir.
He said that you said somebody told you that your name was removed.
No, please, no, my lord, I didn't say somebody told me. I said that when the payment.
Witness,
no, please.
Witness,
my name was
you said
not.
That somebody told you, and I want to know that person who told you.
My lord,
you
sir.
have to mention the person who told you.
My lord, sir.
Papa,
my lord,
here, you cannot appropriate and reprobate.
Take it easy now.
My
yes,
lord.
Lana Pro.
Please, sir, I didn't say. I said that when the payment was made,
yes,
my name was not there.
Yes,
yes, that's what I said.
Yes.
Then when I saw that my name was not there, I wrote an application that this should be corrected.
Yes.
That is what I said. In the university, if payment is made, the list will be there. My name was not on that list for payment.
Yes.
Because my name was not on that list for payment, I had to write to the university that my name was omitted from list of payments. Of course, after that, I also saw my name among the list for 2013.
So when the payment was made, your name was not on the list.
Yes, sir.
But you wrote to the university.
Yes.
That's you complained.
Yes.
He said he wrote to the university through his head of department.
Yes, sir.
Through my HOD.
Yes, sir.
And then what happened? What do you want him to say?
Not what I want him to say, what he himself said.
No, yeah, because I mean, yes, when you wrote to the HOD, what happened?
Yes, they started working on it, sir. They told me I would be paid. They started working on it. The university called for documents concerning me. And the department took all the documents to them. So I expected at every point in time.
So you are told that you'll be paid?
Yes, sir. At every point in time, I was expecting to be paid, but I was not paid.
Okay.
Witness, who told you that you'll be paid? And who was the person who told you that their name was not on the list? Which you mentioned before the court.
He said nobody told him that. He said,
No, sir, that's not true.
No, he's
so we are all witnesses here.
No, what is on the record is that I don't know how my name was omitted from the list.
What he said
but
before,
I know that
that is a reframing. That is reframing what he said.
But it's not to
It's reframing. So what this man said.
It's entitled to change his evidence now, isn't it?
It's what this man said.
Yes.
So we have to. I mean, we are. Justice is not just for this man. It's also for the university.
Yes.
And for the society.
Yes.
He said here, somebody told me, and just right before us,
you can ask him that question again if you want him to repeat it. You understand? But what is on the record?
The witness never said so.
No, let it. But even if what I'm trying to say is that
they're not being truthful. They're not being truthful.
You see,
you are here and he said it. He said somebody told
you can ask.
Sir, can we? Is there?
Excuse
me, sir. Is there any way we can replay this? Sir? Can this be replayed?
He never said so.
Can this be replayed?
The witness never said so.
There's a simple something. The witness is here. If you want to confirm from, you can ask him, and it's not true.
He never said so.
He said so.
He never said so.
Mr. Ndai, please.
Sir,
the procedure is that.
Due respect to your
Mr. The procedure is that if a witness says this is red, you understand, it's not red, you can still go further to repeat that question. You can ask him again.
Reframe it or what?
No, you can ask him again. Even if you feel that he changes answers, you can ask him again.
Witness,
you can put your team.
Who is the person that told you your name was removed according to you?
My Lord.
Witness, who is the person that told you that your name was not on the list?
My Lord.
Yes.
What I'm saying is that the list of those who were paid the earned allowances was displayed. My name was not there.
Yes.
So I wrote to my head of department on 13 December 2017, telling my head of department that my own earned allowance was not paid because I was not on the list. Of payment.
Yes.
That letter was on December 13, 2017.
Okay, so I wrote in 2017.
Yes.
In 2017, yes.
To my head of department. The name of the head of department is there.
Through a HOD, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Through HOD. And that letter went for processing. So from there on, the promise was that I will be paid.
What he wants, he wanted to know is who, according to him, who told you that your name was removed or omitted, isn't it? That's your question.
Sir, the issue is that this list for payment is always displayed in the university.
Okay.
Yes.
It's okay. The list for payment was displayed where?
In the ASU office.
In ASU office?
Yes, ASU office.
In the university?
In the university.
Yes.
So
the list
for 2009, 2010, my name was not there. But for 2013, I saw my name.
Okay, so the list for payment was displayed in ASU office in the university. And you didn't see your name for 2013. 2012.
Yes, 2009 to 2010 and all
But
that.
mine was not in the list of 2012. But
Hello, sir.
isn't it?
The first one was for 2009 and 2010. So I said my name was not there. Then another one was which I wrote on December 15, 2017, was for 2011 and 2012. I didn't see my name.
Oh, okay.
So I wrote.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Let me get it right. The list for payment was displayed in ASU office in the university, but
Yes.
my name was not in the list of which year?
The first one was 2009 and
2009.
2009 and 2010.
Okay.
That was the first one I didn't see. The list was displayed. I didn't see my name.
Yes.
So I wrote.
But which list?
Yes.
But in which list did you see your name?
2013. I saw 2013. Okay. And in the letter I wrote to my HOD, I also mentioned that I only saw my name for 2013, but it was in a different department. So I asked that they should correct my department because I was this. Okay, sir. Let me just say gently so that it could be understood.
You say your name was not in the list of 2009 to 2010. But then, you saw it.
No, sir. And then 2011 and 2012.
Okay. That's 2009 to 2010 and 2011 to 2012.
2012.
Okay.
So for this list, I had to write the first one for 2009 and 2010. I wrote to the head of department on 13 December 2017. And then for the list of 2011 and 2012, when I didn't see my name, I again wrote to the head of department on December 15, 2017.
Yes. But you saw your name in the list of
2013.
Yes,
2013.
In a different department.
Yes, they call it supplementary list. I saw it 2013 on the supplementary list, but my name was listed under mechanical engineering and not my actual department, which was chemical and petroleum engineering.
Okay, yes, mechanical engineering.
Why my name might have been in the mechanical is because I used to work as part-time lecturer in mechanical engineering also. So normally when the earned allowances are calculated, all these ones are taken care of too. I will get something from there and also get from my department because the earned allowance is a special approval by the federal government over and above what is normally done by the lecturer.
Okay. Sorry, sir. Can you please, with due respect, capture that compliment?
What I said was that the list.
What he has just said.
Yes, but let me read it over to you now. The list for payment was displayed in ASU office in the university, but my name was not in the list of 2009, 2010, and 2011 to 2012. But I saw my name in the list for 2013 in a different department, in Brighton Mechanical Engineering. So what do you want?
Witness, can you enlighten the court, or can you describe what this whole issue of an academic allowances, what is it all about?
Sorry, you are muted. Learner Prof. You are muted. We're not hearing you.
I'm very sorry, sir. So, academic allowance refers to payments to university lecturers or academic staff for specific.
And so let me write.
Witness, take it slowly. Take it slowly.
Allowance refers to.
The call is recording. Take it slowly.
Yes.
Refers to payment.
Yes.
Made to university lecturers.
Yes.
Or academic staff.
Yes.
For specific approved duties.
For specific approved?
Yes, approved duties.
Yes.
Performed beyond.
Yes. Their
standard teaching workload.
The standard teaching
workload.
Lord, yes.
So it compensates for additional responsibilities.
Compensates
for additional responsibilities.
Yes.
Such as large class sizes. Such as large class sizes.
Large class
sizes.
Size.
Yes. SIZES.
Yes.
Class sizes. Yes.
Yes.
Then supervision.
Yes.
Examination duties.
Determination.
Examination duties.
Examination duties. And research.
Yeah. Okay.
Typically aimed at enhancing staff welfare. That is, this approval is to
and research.
Yes, and research. That is what it is, sir. And research.
Yes.
Okay. Witness.
Yes, my lord.
Thank you for enlightening me in particular. The court is already knows it. Who gives the approval?
For the what?
For the payment. Who approves payment of this academic allowance and who pays?
The federal government has set standards for earned allowances.
That's my question.
Academic earned allowances. So, as one of the conditions of service, when a lecturer satisfies the conditions to have these earned allowances, then the university puts the person's name down, sends to the government for approval and payment. So the government will now send the money to the university to pay. So that is why in the university, there is a lot of compilation.
His question is
Yes, answer my question.
Okay.
Yes, said. When this list is approved, is compiled, it is sent to the federal government for approval.
Okay.
And payments.
So it is the federal government that that then does the approval.
and funding.
It is the federal government that
yes, sir. The first thing is
it is the federal government that
Does the approval.
that
Gives the approval.
no.
gives the approval and also
That's
gives the money.
Let me put it this way, my lord. Let me put it this way, my lord. It is the university that approves that a staff is entitled to this and that.
Yes,
So,
and sent to the
and then send, yes, for the government to release funds. That's the way I want to put it. It is the government that releases funds for even salaries. So everything comes from the government. So this one is a special one.
But let's get him right, Mr. And it is the university that
compiles the list and sends to federal government for approval.
Is that so?
Excuse me, sir. The first approval is done by the university. The university says this person deserves to be paid this amount.
Yes.
So that amount is now sent to the federal government. The federal government, when the federal government sends the amount, then the university pays.
Yes, and I think from what I understand from what we are saying, number one, that work was done by the lecturers for the university, but because in order to for the purpose of transparency and all that, that list will be sent to the federal government to enable the federal government, approve the money and send it to the university.
Federal government
yes,
approve the
no,
then will approve.
No, wait. Let him say.
First approval. Yes,
no, please. No, I didn't get. Let him get. Yes, don't put my. He said that it is the federal government that approves the list or approves the money.
Excuse me, sir. Federal government, my lord, sir.
Yes.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. The issue is this.
Yes.
The federal government has set standards for earned allowances.
I've said that before.
Okay, yes. No, let me write that one.
Yeah, I said so before.
Right, but let me also write it. It's not captured. The federal government sets standard.
Yes, sir.
For and
academic and academic allowances.
Yes, it set the standard.
So then it is the university that determines who has met these standards.
The federal government set the standard.
Yes, and which has to be applied to all the universities.
Then what does the university do again?
No, the university has to, for example, sir, we are talking of research. Yes. We are talking of somebody putting in extra hours.
Yes.
We are talking of somebody doing examination.
Yes.
All these the documents carrying this information must be submitted on behalf of every staff to the university to make the compilation. So this is where the compilation comes from. So they will compile and send, for each.
Sorry, Prof.
Yes, sir.
It will be sent, the research, those things that a staff is expected to do will be compiled by the university.
Yes, sir. And then sent. Yes, they will compile. It will be compiled by the university, and then they will put, and then they put the amount of money which person
he's giving evidence for, and I'm trying to get what he's trying to even say. Yes,
sir. What I'm saying is that
the federal government sets the standard.
Yes, sir.
For unacademic allowances.
Yes.
Then the university does what?
The university will collect the necessary document data and put
from who?
And use
from
the
who?
standards to calculate.
From who?
Pardon, sir. Oh, from each department.
Okay, we'll collect the necessary.
The necessary information, like the class size. If somebody teaches, then the department will send, this is the number of hours over and above what the person should do. For example, the research, the department will say, this is the number of this is the number of students. The person
from various faculties, isn't it?
Yes, for various departments through the faculties. And then when this is done, when all these are sent to the university, the university will now do computation and put monetary value on the computation. This monetary value will now be sent to the federal government to bring money, just like money for salaries.
Let me read over to you what I've it's reflected on. It said the federal government set the standard for non-academic allowances.
Yes.
Then the university will collect the necessary information, e.g., class size, number of hours from various departments.
Yes, sir.
And then the university will do the monetary value.
The university will do the compilation.
Okay,
and computation and verification.
Okay, compilation.
Yes.
Verification and what?
Compilation, computation.
Okay. Yes.
Followed by verification processes. So finally, the university will put monetary value.
Compilation, computation.
Yes.
And verification.
At all levels, at different levels.
Yes.
Then the university, I think the vice chancellor will approve what it is. And after approval, the university will send the requirement to the government to bring money. So for 2020, 2009, 2010, and the rest of it.
So the university will send the what? Is it the approval?
The university will send.
Will send what?
Will send the monetary value for each person.
Okay.
Which everything is worked together. And then the university will
monetary value.
Yes.
Will send the monetary value
to the government for payments.
Okay.
So the government will send the money to the university, and then the university will now give to the staff as per the compilation and computation.
Excuse me, sir. With due respect.
Mr.
I am begging the court, sir.
This cross-examination.
I'm begging the court, sir, to record this man.
I'm recording. Let me read about
this man has said so many things. Let me continue. Witness.
Yes, my lord.
We have mentioned that there was a final list, initial list and a final list. Have you placed any material? Have you placed any material, these materials, before the court to prove that there was an initial list and a final list? I'll come back to the other one.
As
have you placed any material before the court
like how?
To support your claim that there was an initial list as well as a final list?
My lord, what I came to the court for is that my earned allowances had not been paid by the university. At the time, the vice chancellor said, when the next tranche will come, the university will pay.
Have
When
you placed
that
any
please,
material
just
before
just
the
a minute,
court?
sir. I'm very
Or
sorry,
no?
sir. I'm very sorry, sir. Please,
Excuse me, I don't understand
Has
that
he
question.
sir,
placed
I'm a professor, sir. Let me, when we do things, we need to.
No, wait.
Yes, I'm a
Just
counsel.
like, yes.
Has he placed any material, any document?
Yes.
This so-called initial list and final list, has he
Right.
placed them before?
The university. That should be
Okay,
right.
the finalist and initial
Yes,
list.
he is the one talking about.
Okay, what you want to say is that the initial list and the
Final
finalist
list.
are
Have you placed
not
them
before the court.
Have you placed them before the court?
My Lord, sir.
Yes.
The issue is that I am not for final or initial
You
list.
will be for it.
Mr. Ndai, no, please, not simplify this thing. If you know the list is not before, you can even put it in that the list is a final or initial, and before the court. That's simple.
That's my question.
Hey, but
Has he placed in it?
My Lord,
it's a something. It's simple. This is cross-examination. You can even put it to him. That
I'm coming to that, all of that.
Learned Prof.
my Lord, sir.
That list, either final or initial.
My Lord, sir.
Is it before the court? Did you present it before the court?
My Lord, sir, I cannot present the list because it's not.
No, it's still. Did you present it?
No, my Lord, sir. My Lord, sir.
Yes.
I came to the court.
You can't present it because of what?
No, it's not my list. It's a university list.
That's okay. That's okay. The initial or the final, the initial or final list is not before the court because it's not my document, rather the university's document. Is that what you want to say?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And that's why I thought my lawyer also pleaded that the university should be subpoenaed to bring this, to bring all those materials.
Did you apply to the court to give you certified copy of that document or not?
To the court or to the university?
Did you apply to the university, to the then employer, for the copies of those of the two documents, the initial list and the final list? Did you not apply? That's my question. Did you apply?
My Lord, sir. I think yes, sir. My Lord, sir.
He said whether you apply to the university to give you any of the lists.
Okay, my Lord, sir. I think my lawyer has already.
Did you apply or not?
Please, sir. Please. I'm very sorry.
Please, excuse me, please. You have said you are a professor.
Please,
and
sir.
the question is very
Please,
straightforward.
sir.
Did you or did you not
sir.
apply to
Very
get those
sorry,
documents?
Sir. Very sorry, sir.
That's nothing to do with your
lawyer. What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
Yes, what I want to say, sir, is that the list is the university list. And my lawyer, I think, made a filing requesting the university to come with documents and so on through subpoena.
Okay. It's okay. So you apply for a subpoena to the university, to the defendant?
Yes.
To produce what? Yes, Mr. Samuel, what was the subpoena for? You asked them to produce all the...
Yes, all the documents.
Okay.
Yes, and they are before the courts.
Okay. All the necessary and material documents. Yes.
Witness.
Yes, my lord.
From your evidence, you said the list was posted in ASU's notice board. Is that correct?
I did not say posted on ASU's notice board. I said the list was in ASU's office.
Office.
Okay. So the list was in ASU's office. All right. Witness.
Yes, my lord.
Does ASU have any role to play in this earn allowance issue? From verification to certification to compilation, does it have any role to play? You have been an ASU member.
Mr. Kwon, the Mondays files, please. Yes.
Yes, my lord. Normally, it is ASU that helps the university in the compilation, because these documents go to ASU's office. ASU will help the university to put the list together, compile, and so on for approval by the university. So ASU has a role.
ASU has a role to play in the earned academic allowances. Yes, that's so.
Yes.
By doing what?
What is that role?
Normally, ASU will ask for the list, for the documents which they use to compile and do the computation and hand over and for the university.
Okay, by compiling, by doing the compilation, computation, and the
yes,
and hand them over to the university.
Yes, the final list is approved by the university.
Okay.
Yes, sir. With due respect, sir.
For approval, yes.
Can I be availed of what was in the record of the course?
He said, yes, ASU has a role to play in the unacademic allowances by doing the compilation, computation, and hand over to the university for approval.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Witness.
Yes, sir. Yes, my lord.
So this very list, the one for 2009 to 2012, then 2013 to 2017, passed through that process. That's the process of ASU doing what you have just said.
My lord, sir. What I am saying is that the ones of 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, I know must have passed through the process, because after passing through the process, it is then the payment can be made, because the government has sent money to
so
the school.
ASU played a role in the in the list of 2009 to 2010 and 2011, 2012.
Yes, I presume, sir.
Are you?
Yes. That said, the said rule.
ASU
played the said role.
Played the said role in the list of 2009 and
2010.
2009/2010 or what?
2009,
2010.
2010.
A /?
No.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And 2011 to 2012. So ASU played ASU played the said role in
Must
the
have
list
done,
of
yes. And then 2013, because I also saw,
eh?
and 2013,
2009 to 2010 and 2011 to
13.
okay, 13. Yes. Yes.
Witness,
Yes, my lord.
can we also say, it also be said that ASU having the said role to play, this so in respect of the one from 2013 to 2017, they had a role to play, the same role they played.
I have not seen the result of 2000 from 2014 to 2017. The only thing is that there was money for 2017.
It's not the result.
So you don't know, say it doesn't know whether ASU played the same role in the list of 20.
No, sir. No. It's the role that ASU has to play.
It's
the
role.
role.
That's what so your question
The role
is
which
that
ASU plays.
Did they
So I
also play
presume
that
that
role?
at any time ASU will play
what
that
he's
role.
saying is that Leonard Prof.
Yes, sir.
What he's saying is that did ASU also play that same role in the list of 2014 to 2017?
I don't know about 2014 to that, but I know that in 20 there was payment for
you don't know whether
2017.
ASU played the same role.
No, sir. No, I won't say that. My lord, sir.
His question is
ASU has a role, and that role
get the question.
ASU plays it at any time, at any point in time.
Okay. So ASU plays its roles at any particular time. Is that so?
So far as that is.
So that let's hear from him. Yes,
yes. That role, that role is for ASU, and that is the role everybody expects ASU to play at any particular time.
Yes, he's now talking about 2014,
13 to 14.
Yes, 13 to 17.
Yeah, he has answered the question.
Okay, that
at all times, ASU plays that role.
Okay.
It's an honest question. We are here to assist the courts.
It's also played the same role at all times, isn't it?
Yes, sir. They're expected to play the same role at all times.
Okay.
As far as an academic allowance is concerned, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And it is also expected play same role at all times as far as and academic allowances are concerned. This allowance, are they how much is the profit? As he says, up to 1 billion.
I don't know, sir.
The way I do that, I see a lot of people wants to collect the whole. No. Let's save time. Just go on. No, please go on so that we save time. Let's just save time, please. Let's just save time because we still have more.
Witness.
This should be announced.
Witness.
Yes, my lord.
It's after 2 now. 2:30.
An academic allowance, as it is a matter or transaction between ASU and the federal government. ASU on behalf of its members and the federal government.
My lord, sir.
Yes.
The issue is that ASU will have an agreement with the federal government, and the rules are set to that extent. Then, once the rules are set, all the universities are supposed
hold on, witness, the court is writing.
ASU, how is ASU written? ASS?
ASUU.
Eh?
ASUU.
Okay, not ASS.
Okay.
It's not ASU.
Sorry. Academic staff of universities. That's ASUU.
Okay. ASU will have agreement with the federal government. Yes?
Yes,
Understand that?
Yes, sir. What happens is that ASU,
Yes.
from time to time, within a certain period of time, ASU arrives at some agreement with the federal government.
Yes.
And once the rules are set, all the universities
with the federal government on what?
like many things, welfare of staff, academic and allowances. So the federal government will set rules together with ASU. They agree, and once agreed.
My question was, it's a transaction between the federal government and ASU.
But he's saying
that's the question.
He's saying that the issue of annual allowances.
Yes.
Okay, ask him again so that we
witness, thank you for volunteering that honest opinion. Evidence. Just by way of saying, you are saying that ASU, an academic allowance is a matter or transaction between ASU on behalf of its members and the federal government of Nigeria.
My Lord, sir, I just want us to have a distinction here. To an extent, ASU is involved. But what I'm trying to emphasize is that ASU, on behalf of staff, will meet the federal government and they agree on what has to be done with respect to staff welfare. And once that agreement is arrived at, all the universities are supposed to use that standard to implement, including earned allowances. It is not a situation where ASU will pick and say, this staff should be paid or this staff should not be paid. It's not that. The rules, once set, are for everybody. So when the compilation is made, it is for everybody. ASU will make, it's not a question of choosing who will have and choosing who will not have.
Okay. Leonard Prof, he said that the issue of allowances, but according to him, is between ASU and the transaction.
Yes, it's a transaction.
That line of question is opinion. My Lord, you have changed to that line of question.
What is the opinion?
My Lord, it is an opinion. It is my senior's opinion. That's not a cross-examination question.
Excuse me, please. Sit down.
My,
It's your opinion.
my
He
Lord,
has
sir.
said, the witness has said something here.
No, but what you only said,
He
what
brought in the issue
no,
of
what he said is that
He-
ASU played a role. He said the role of ASU is
What's
to,
How would you call that opinion?
he said it plays a role in the unacademic allowances by doing the compilation, computation, and handing over to the university for approval.
And I'm
Yes,
asking,
ASU played the same role in the list of 20. That's what he said.
I am asking him,
Yes.
flowing from this, what he has said,
Yes.
is an academic allowance a transaction between ASU on behalf of its members and the federal government of Nigeria that will, because this issue, this thing is captured in the ASU's agreements. Without the
But let me ask this question. In the agreement, what is ASU demanding from the federal government? I thought it's only saying that since ASU is a body of the academic staff, it's just saying that the federal government should pay those allowances to the respective. Yes, it's a simple.
respectfully.
Yes, but you can't say, but
respectfully,
okay.
respectfully.
For instance, those individual,
We're not talking about individuals.
No, I mean, yes, but the academic allowances, you
It's
understand,
a subject
are going to
matter.
be paid to the, individual, like,
Before payment, I am saying, like, an academic allowance is a subject matter that is negotiated by ASU.
Negotiated as how? To be paid by the federal
They
government?
negotiate it.
To be paid.
It is the subject matter of the agreement. We're not talking about payment here, sir.
Uh-huh.
We're not talking about payment.
Yes.
This whole issue of an academic allowance is a matter.
One of the matters that ASU is pursuing. That's
why I'm saying it's a matter. I'm not saying one of the matter. It's a matter.
Because Mr. Ndayo, ASU has so many things with the federal government. There are so many things. Welfare of staff, so many unacademic allowances may be part of the things that ASU is demanding from the federal government.
It is of common knowledge.
Yes,
that
an
academic allowance is part of what ASU is demanding from the federal government. My question
to pay to respective and
respective
union members.
Yes.
So what was that thing with a particular claim of one person to come to the court saying that I'm claiming?
No, sir. He has been a member of ASU.
Mm-hmm.
He has been a member.
So when you say that,
so he understands more than I do.
So does that mean that
this an academic allowance issue is a subject matter ASU takes on with the federal government?
Okay, so it means an individual can pursue his claim against.
No. He has all the right to pursue his own personal claim. But I'm saying an academic allowance as an allowance entitled to by academic staff is a matter that is negotiated and entered into a written agreement between ASU and the federal government.
To pay or to do what?
So let that first be answered.
Okay.
He has said, we don't need to go back. He has said the payment is done by the federal government.
Yes.
And that is the correct position, sir.
Yes. Lana Prof, did you get this question?
My Lord, sir. What I said is that the payment is sent from the government to the universities. Okay. Now, with respect to what he has said, my Lord, sir, what I am saying is this. ASU will come into agreement, and once that agreement is arrived at, like all these ones now, for example, there is no issue now pending.
Agreement to do what?
Agreement for whatever
Standard.
benefits. They start with
No,
that.
that's what I recorded. That's what I recorded. He said, that's okay. He said that.
I'm begging the court.
What he said is that ASU will have agreement with the federal government on the standard set for academic allowances.
Correct.
That's
So
what I recorded.
Yes, sir. Yes, my lord, sir. So once that is done, the federal government will now relate to all the universities to implement whatever has been agreed upon, including earned allowances. So the responsibility of earned allowances is that of the university. But during computation, ASU also helps the university to compute. But the ultimate responsibility is that of the university.
We are not. Witness, when you said standard, what do you mean by standard?
Yes, the university, the government will say this will be paid for. My lord, sir, the government will say this will be paid for. This will not be paid for. This is how much, the number of hours, and so on and so forth. I'm sorry, sir.
I agree with the federal government on this.
Asking about the standards.
When you said the federal ASU enters into a discussion of whatever agreement, setting the standard, what is that standard? With due respect.
What I'm saying is that ASU and the federal government agree on the titles of what has to be paid for, the benefits for the staff.
Yes, but
and it is obligatory that I do that. I've asked some vital questions here.
Yes, so your question to him is what now?
My question is, he has talked about standard here.
Yes.
I said, what do you mean by this standard? Can you explain?
You know, he said ASU will agree with the federal government on the standards set for the allowances. Say, what are those standards you are referring to?
Yes, sir.
What does it mean?
Yes, what is it?
Okay. They will have different, for example, what are the specific issues that will be covered under earned allowances?
Okay.
Government and ASU will agree. The number of hours, for example,
and the standard.
Yes.
Witness, please hold on.
It will include the items. So you see items.
Yes, items.
The items to yes, the item that will do what?
That will be included in the earned allowance, for example.
Items that will be included in the academic allowances, e.g. number of hours. Is that right?
Okay, sir. So number of hours over and above that has to be paid for example.
Then what again?
And so on, sir. That's what I can say.
Okay, e.g. number of hours.
Yes.
So those are the standards.
How do you pay for supervision? There must be a standard to say this how much if you do supervision for this number of hours and so on, this how much you will pay. All these things are included, in the computation which ASU members do.
Yes. Due respect, I did not come here with a mindset. And I think it is important that I put that across. I did not come here with any mindset. But I'm here to help the courts to arrive at justice. God is always willing to do justice because he himself is Mr. Justice.
Yes.
So, God, yes, it's not right. God willing, I pray for justice, either for or against. So, sir, with due respect. Okay, now witness, the subject matter. This, you are saying that this end academic allowance issue is, in summary, a subject matter or one of the subject matters that is negotiated with and captured in the agreement between ASU and federal government.
My Lord, sir, this is what I have said, that from time to time, ASU will discuss with the federal government on the benefits that staff will get. Government and ASU will agree on what those benefits will be. Once the agreement is arrived at, the government will pass this agreement to all the universities to implement, including earned allowances. And there are standards attached for implementation. To that extent, sir, that is what I can say. So when ASU is helping to compute, to put together, using the standards to be able to say this is how much this one will be worth, and so on. It does not mean that there is any discriminatory process where ASU has to go and say this person has to be paid, this one has to not be paid, will not be paid. So the ASU only helps the university to implement what the federal government has agreed for the university to do with respect to earned allowances.
Witness, with due respect, let me repeat my question. And it does not call for, is earned academic allowance one of the subject matters negotiated by ASU on behalf of federal government, on behalf of its members with federal government and captured in the agreement between the two parties? If you don't understand, I reframe. Is earned academic allowance one of the subject matters captured in the agreement between ASU and federal government after their negotiation? Very simple. Yes or no? Is it?
My Lord, sir, I said yes. After that, for the universities to implement.
We are not talking about implementation.
No,
yes or no?
That has to be part of it, my Lord, sir. That should be part of it. After
the
agreement, the universities will have to implement according to the rules.
When you said that it's an academic allowance, yes, one of the things that ASU is negotiating with the federal government in the agreement, in the agreement. Which agreement are you referring to? And which negotiation are you referring to?
He has referred to 2009 agreement here. He has said to that ASU has entered into an agreement as an agreement.
No, I did not enter. What I only said was that ASU will have an agreement with the federal government on the standard set for an
this matter
allowance.
is beyond standard.
No, that's his evidence. So that's what he said.
But I have asked a question.
Yes.
Is it a subject matter? I don't even want to say one of the subject matter. Is it a subject matter in the 2009 negotiated agreement between the federal government and?
Maybe you have to bring to his attention first that there was an agreement negotiated between ASU and the federal government in 2009.
At several places. Witness.
Yes, sir.
Witness.
Yes.
Thank you for all of the information you have given to the court that constitute your evidence. The question is, are you aware that there is an agreement, an agreement entered into by the federal government, by ASU with the federal government in 2009?
Agreement on what, Mr.
Sir,
No, so that will,
yes,
agreement on what?
excuse me, sir. That agreement contains several things.
Okay.
My next question will be,
Okay, yes. So, yes, are you aware of any agreement entered between the ASU and the federal government in 2009? Isn't it? Yes.
No, sir. I don't know the agreement, the Leonard,
Yes.
what he's saying, talking about. I don't know, please. I don't know which one she's saying. But what I know is that generally, ASU and federal government always enters into agreement with respect to benefits for staff. And once the agreement is put together, the federal government will send for the universities to implement.
So whether you are aware of...
Are you aware that one of such agreement was entered into in 2009 between federal government and ASU?
It could be, sir. I want to. I cannot recall it. I don't know which year it was. But you have the document.
I just say you're not aware of any...
I'm not aware. I don't know, sir. No, I wouldn't say I won't be aware.
You are not aware. Beautiful, beautiful. You are not aware. And you are claiming.
I'm not aware of an agreement.
It's good to be truthful before you fall into a deep pit.
In 2009 between ASU and the federal government. Yes, yes.
Now, witness, are you aware of the fact that over the years, ASU has been embarking on industrial action strikes, protesting, seeking federal government implementation of the 2009 agreement it entered into with ASU?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, okay. I'm aware that there are some agreements entered into with ASU which had not been implemented, and ASU has been arguing against it. I mean, arguing about it. Yes, I'm aware, but which year? I can't recollect now.
Okay. Yes, particular.
Witness simply an academic allowance. An academic allowance for ASU members is one of the things that had made ASU to embark on these various strikes. Non-payment of an academic allowance to ASU members by the federal government has been one of the reasons why ASU has embarked on several strikes from time to time.
Yes. Yes. That and academic allowances.
Yes, I'm aware, but I am also aware that the 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, and 2013 have been paid. And recently, there was another one from which the vice chancellor said when that strike was paid.
Okay, let me record it.
Okay.
Yes, I am aware that
non-payments
ASU has embarked on several strikes due to the non-payment on academic allowances. But I know that the academic allowances for which year?
For 2009,
Prof, the ones that have been paid.
2009, 2010, 2009,
yes,
2010,
yes,
2011, 2012,
yes,
and 2013.
yes,
And
yes.
recently, I don't know which year they paid, which year was paid in 20. And the last one, which was paid, which the vice chancellor told me when that one was to be paid, that I would be paid all my entitlements. So, but I don't know which
20,
particular year that one was.
the ones you know have been paid 29, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yes.
And which year again?
No, sir. I don't know which year that the last one was paid. I don't know.
It's
which
okay.
year. So
the ones you know,
can let us know.
Have been paid. Yes. So he knows that the ones for 2009 to 2013 have been paid.
Yes, they were delayed. They were delayed and paid, of course.
Witness.
Yes, my lord.
Are you saying that all of these years that the federal government paid, released money for payment or paid an academic allowance to the beneficiaries, you were not paid?
No.
Now, witness.
Okay, that he was not paid his an academic.
That's what he's saying, sir.
Yes, I have not been paid my and academic allowance. Yes.
Witness.
Yes, my lord.
Recall all of your evidence before the court, and I put it to you that your assertion that there was an initial as well as a final list is a facade. I put it to you. So I'm putting this. I want to conclude.
Okay. Put it to him.
Witness, did you hear me well?
Please, can you come again?
Okay, fine. Thank you. From your, I put it to you that your evidence or assertion that there was what you call initial list and a final list. I'm putting it to you that that is a facade. That is a mere fabrication. There was only one list. There was only one list.
My lord, sir, should I answer? My lord, sir. Is it a question, sir? Should I answer? My lord, sir, are you hearing me?